I'm the original bird in the gilded cage. I wish I wasn't so helpless, so Granny would let me fly around outside like the other little birdies.
Well, look at this. Here's the answer to our problem. Flying bird cage. Now your canary can fly around in his own backyard without leaving the security of his cage. At your corner pet shop, $12.95. Oh, my! You're going to love it, Tweety. Now you can fly around outdoors without worrying about the bed or putty cat out there. My, isn't this clever? And it says it's also jet-propelled.
And the crash helmet comes with it.
It operates very simply. To start it, you just pull this lever. That's right. My, look at it fly. Oh, watch out for that chandelier. Wait a minute and I'll open the door.
Hello, Putty Cat. How do you like my new cage? This is the only way to fly. And all this time, I've been doing it the hard way. Come in for some more instructions. I forgot what to do in case of fog. Check the RPMs. If landing against a tailwind over 20 knots, raise the RPM ratio. Pirate to bombardier, pirate to bombardier, bombs away!
You thought you outsmarted me, didn't you?
How you gonna get me? You got your hands full.
Oh, yeah? Well, now I haven't. your wings in the USAF. That's what I'll do. And when I do, watch out, bird.